Hello, dear viewers. Hello. This is the Lucas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 23rd of February 2024. The day is Friday. This is the last trading day of the week. I'm a Lucas Copy's community member where I have been trading with them from last, I think, more than now 7-8 years. Please do not confuse me as employee of Lucas Copy. I'm not their employee. So all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this live stream, they are of my own. We will be in this stream, will be discussing the price action. We will not be discussing anything that is fundamental in nature, as I know that every piece of information that we can discuss in the fundamentals is already priced into the chart, like some data or some news. So we will follow the charts for our analysis, and only charts for our analysis. In this program, we will be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels for all pairs, and we'll see how we can use them in our trading setups. If you're new to the technical analysis, I'll request you to go to our channel homepage, select the playlist, and search for the profitable candlestick patterns and the profitable chart patterns playlist. If you go through them, it will really help you to understand what we are talking about in this program. At the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers, so I request you to keep your questions to be asked at the end of the session. And before I start the session, I must tell you that this live stream is only for giving you proper information or knowledge about how to read charts and the market direction. Please do your own research before you put your money on the line. Before we begin, let's go through the risk disclaimer first. Please understand the risk that is involved in trading with Forex on margin. You can pause the video here to completely understand and then hop onto the charts. All right, on your screens right now is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Yesterday we have witnessed the dollar index breaching below this previous crucial low, that is 103.78. Now with as soon as that low vanished or was broken, we started assuming that there is a possibility of lower high to be formed now, which will be lesser than this one, and expect the lower low to be formed, which is close to 102.75. so that is what I'm expecting in this market. Now there is a possibility of lower low and lower high, and we may target here 102.75 for the first instance, later on 101.63, and maybe even 100.33 in this market if the trend continues. On the contrary, the higher side 104.89 is the resistance above which we can start buying this market again. But till the time the price is trading below 104.89, you should not think of buying the US dollar. Jimmy is here. Hello Jimmy, welcome to the stream. Long time no see. How are you? Okay, Jimmy says fine, had some bad bets. Okay. So from the US dollar, it looks like that the US dollar doesn't have a very good time in the coming days, maybe for 2 to 3 weeks it will be keep going down. And let's see what is happening in the euro. Well, in the case of euro also, it looks like it tried to go higher but was met with the resistance in this zone and went lower again. Now somebody may think that yes, the price is going to go down and it will create a V here. Well, it will create some pullback because the price, the buyers will be reluctant in going higher from here. But I'm expecting the price to go down and then go back up again. Why? Because the price has just broken this resistance of 1.0805, and after breaking that it has made a higher low and higher high. So I'm expecting the price to continue this until and unless it breaks the low around 1.0695. If it breaks below that, then I'm looking otherwise. In If not that, then it will keep going upwards in the direction of 1.1 and thereafter 1.1139. Talking about the pound, let's pull it the 1 day chart. Okay, from the 1 day, I think the bias, like I said, is bearish below 1.2775, but I also mentioned yesterday that there is a possibility of breakout to the upside, which can take the prices back towards 1.2775. But till the time the price is not going higher than 1.2775, I will not be looking for any buying opportunity in this one, because that is my resistance zone, and below that I will be looking for the selling entries only, because the price has been making lower highs and lower lows here recently. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now 1.2680 seems a good price, but eventually I'm expecting it to fall off from here towards 1.2518 and later on maybe towards 1.2500 here and thereafter 1.2374 is what I'm expecting in this market. My dear viewers, if you have any opinion which is otherwise, you can write them in the chat. Jumi is saying that have a buy order euro dollar at 1.0800. 1.0800. Perfect. It's perfect. It is in line with the previous resistance, which now may act as a good support. But you should not be placing the limit orders, but you should be placing the buy stop orders like this. I'm telling you, okay. Rather than placing the limit orders, you create a channel which is counter trending channel and expect the channel, because you are already expecting the channel to break to the upside. Right now the highest high that the price has made, sorry, the lowest high the price has made is here. So you can actually create a buy order above this 1.0840, and if it doesn't happen like this, then there is a possibility that something like this will happen. If not this, then there is a possibility that something like, so whenever a recent high is broken, you can buy this market. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now it looks like this is also a channel or a triangle here. I'm not sure when it will break to the upside, but when it breaks, you can buy then, rather than placing a limit order at 1.0805. No, that is a better idea. In the pound, I'm looking for selling this market to the downside below 1.2775. I put the SL at 1.077. Okay, 1.0777. Why 1.0777? What is the reason for that stop loss? There is no point in that. Anyways, so talking about the Australian dollar here. In Australian dollar also, the price is rising above 0.6543. It is expected to rise. This area, what 0.6543 area, may be seen as a buying opportunity in case the price drops to this level. One can buy this with the target of 0.6625. But rather than buying it just like that, in the similar case as the euro, you can also draw a falling counter channel on this time frame, 1 hour, and then expect the price to break higher. When it breaks higher, you can buy it with the next target, which is 0.6625. Zumi is saying that it looks okay to me. See, Zumi, there is nothing like okay or not okay. There is something called logic. This is a logical stop loss. Thereafter, this is a logical stop loss. Thereafter, this is a logical stop loss. Okay. There is no logic in this stop loss. There is no logic in this point or 0.0778. But if there is any logic, let me know. Okay. So in case of New Zealand dollar, we are expecting the price to move a bit lower towards 0.6174, where there may be more buyers jumping in the price to push it back towards 0.6278. So 0.6278 is the resistance for us. 0.6174 is the support for the New Zealand dollar. I'm expecting actually the price to come back to this broken triangle before it rises further in the direction of 0.6278. USD CHF, it looks like that it is trying to go higher from here, but this lower highs and lower lows is stopping it, and I'm expecting the price to find resistance around 0.8821, where I have this price marker, and this may be pushing the prices towards this confluence of support. Now if you can get the price bought here, I think it will be a very good opportunity, because this is also in line with these previous high, this one low, and this is also a rising channel support area. So there are multiple reasons for us to open a buy position close to 0.8698. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now 0.8821 is the resistance. Next resistance is 0.9113 in this market. USD CAD, well, the price broke through and is now trying to get in. Well, this is still in a buying territory. The price can still rise from here. 1.3620, the market structure is intact on the upside. It will not be intact if the price breaks below 1.3413, which I think is not very likely. Let's see how the things unfold in this one also. But this has entered a territory where I will not be looking for any buying or selling, because I'll be selling this market if it would have closed a decent day below. That has not happened, and it has not any buying this thing, because yesterday it closed the day below that rising channel support line. So I'm not buying or selling this market. I'm staying away from it. USD JPY, a breakout, and then what's your thought about Nikkei? Nikkei we will check in a bit. Okay, Nikkei we will check in some time. Right now you see that we have a target of 151.91 for the USD JPY. Right now there are no buyers, but at lower prices around 149.98, I'm expecting the buyers to jump in to push the prices back towards 151.98. For some reason, if the price doesn't get buyers here, you cannot still sell this market till the time the price doesn't break below 148.92. Anywhere above 148.92 is the buying zone. What about the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian? Well, a breakout and boom, 0.8417 is the resistance where I think the buyers can look for booking their profits. Above 8417 is huge runway towards 8819. So that may be our targets in the long term if the price breaks and closes the day above 0.8417. Keep an eye on this one. Okay, there's a higher probability that this will keep going up. Bitcoin, still consolidation. This consolidation we are expecting to be over in some days. Now the price is holding at these levels. There is a higher probability that the price will go up towards 59,235 area. Why? Because if it would have been selling, the price would have already dropped from here very fast. Brent, like I said, that I will not be very happy to buy this market at these levels. The bias is bearish below 84.62. Now this is my 84.62 levels, and this is your candle. Tomorrow or day after we can expect a down move. If the price breaks this rising trend line, then it can even go eventually towards 72.33 in the coming time. So keep an eye on these one. If you are looking for a selling opportunity, you can sell below the low of today and target 72.33. Gold, last thing that I wanted to talk about is gold. This is a triangle. If I extend this or project it, you will find that this level is acting as a resistance. Now the price was trading like this, then it broke lower and now is going higher. So this should be acting as a resistance. This is one thing. And the second one is that the price has breached this low, so it has entered in a downtrend, and we are below this high of this particular candle is 2065.62. Anything below this I should be looking for a selling opportunity, although I'm looking for a buying opportunity in the bigger picture. 1931 is a very good support. So, but I am not willing to buy this at current levels. I'm expecting the price to go down because this is making lower highs and lower lows, and I'm expecting the price to go down towards 1931. When that happens, I think there I will be looking for a buying opportunity with the higher targets. That's all, guys, from my side. My friend is saying that what do you think about Nikkei? I think uh, index. So let's go and check the index. It's Japan, right? Hang Seng. So this is what you are talking about. 39,554. Zumi. Where are you from, Zumi? Are you from Japan? Japan. All right. Yep. Okay. So Nikkei on monthly is on the rise. Okay, this is one thing. On the weekly, it is on the rise. Why it is not okay? The previous highs it has broken. So this is cool, I think. All right, and on the daily it has gone higher and is taken support. So this is a multi-year breakout, I think, in this. Okay, week, month. Okay, last is the monthly that you can get. So yes, there is a clean breakout, and this will be a multi-months breakout. This month it is a breakout on the monthly. So what you can do, it is also being supported by the weekly and on the daily. So daily is taking support here. What you can do is, guys, this is good. Estonia, I know Estonia. Okay, I know 90. All right. So there's some problem here that it is overbought from a long time. If somebody starts selling this, then I think we will get trapped. So I want to buy this, but I would love to see it at the lower prices to buy. Right now, it looks like very costly or very expensive. Okay, it is a multi-month breakout, no doubt about this. 39,260 is a very good support for you. Very good support. If you want to buy this, you can have a support at 39,260 levels. All right. Look down to 90s. There is no 90s here in my. Okay, 6994 you mean? No. Yeah, 90s I told you. Okay, last time when the price went here, the policy got changed and this is what happened. So it took out 10 highs of the 90s. Yeah, I just told you that it has taken out these highs. So now the price is trading above that. That is okay. It is on the monthly. But now it has potential of going even further. But you have to keep a stop loss, which is 39,260 or 39,271. You should not keep, you should also keep an eye on the stop loss, right? So that's all, guys, from my side. Any further questions, I will be very happy to answer. I would like to wrap up this session for this week and the day, and we can see you on Monday. What do you say? So thank you guys for your time here. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to risk only 1% or less of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that it's going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get connected with me, you can text me on my Skype. I will be very happy to answer your questions if you have any. And also you can join me on Bulls and Bears. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. See you on Monday at 1700.